Right, today we're going to be doing some brakes on a, well, you can't really see it right now, it's a Mk4 Supra Turbo. If I can check it out, got the Haltech hat and all. I'm a real car enthusiast. Fuck all you kids who think you like cars. Mate, I've got the merchandise. You like Haltech? Name 3 of their songs. That'll teach you. No, yes, mechanicking, the worst years of my life. But, so I take no joy in working on my own cars, but I'm not gonna let someone else do it now, am I? Let them fuck up my shit? No, I'm gonna do it myself. And yes, I'm wearing gloves because unlike you, I'm not a fucking animal. Yeah, here's a valid point. How many mechanics that have girlfriends don't wash their hands before putting their fingers inside their significant other's vag? Let that sink in. Think of how many vaginas of the world have experienced transaxle fluid between their legs. If I recall, this will be a 14. Come on, years of not touching cars, don't let me down now. Oh, it's tightening. Well, that'll do it every time. Whoopsies, fun start to the morning. The good thing through the art of editing, I could remove that and go, oh, I am flawless in every way. There we go. All right, how much meat's left? Ah, come with me. Well, really, thickness, we're actually doing just fine. I guess these will just be a spare, but I know these are many of years old, so. You know, there's actually a bit of PTSD doing car shit like this, eh? When was the last time I was getting paid working on a car? And you go, well, I was eating the worst food of my life, on the worst wage of my life, and I was doing the hardest of work. I don't think that worked out good for anyone. Even your boss is just like, fuck, this is depressing. Young boy's fucking rotting his fucking youth away. And here's me just fucking living it up at Shitbox Automotive. The inside right. It is going to go on like that. Oh, the sense of sight. Hearing, smelling and seeing. What a great thing to have, you know? It's unfortunate that a few people lose that over the years. You know, they'll lose a little bit of a finger, they'll lose a bit of this and a little bit of that. I don't wish that upon anyone because life's already hard enough as it is, let alone without a finger, or an eye, or a nose. Yeah, I saw a fella one day actually, he looked like Ghost Rider. That was the thing, is you see someone with a nice car and you go, that man is an accountant, he must have gone really far in life. And as these birds are fucking annoying, but as you'll see, you go, oh, this gentleman's made it really far in life, I need to do what this man does. He turns around and he's missing a nose. He's in like a Land Cruiser, it's like worth $300,000. And he's got no nose, and I go, Land Cruiser or no nose, yeah. Or a Power Cruise. You'll see like the fastest car of the day, you go, la la. And you go, oh, who's the driver of that weapon? And the guy comes out in a wheelchair and you go, he didn't walk out of that car and he wasn't even using he wasn't even stepping on the gas. He wasn't even stepping on the throttle. He was pulling it. I wonder, you know, it's like sports cars get girls, but if you got no legs, do you still get girls? I'm not sure if that's how it works. Because I fear if you lose your legs in an accident, your potential sexual partners might decrease. So here you get some giant fucking multi-grips and a little squeeze like that. This isn't no Adam LZ video. Fucking Mitchell's on a budget here. He's got non-turbo brakes for his Turbo Supra. Again on the conversation about losing fingers, that was close. Remove caliper, push the piston back. Put new brake pads in. Put the caliper back on. Win that life. I'll tell you what, I feel bad for the young of today's car generation. They have spent more than I ever have on a car, and they go to meet someone's like, faggot. I don't know what I'd do with myself. Like, oh, you're a fucking cool kid, aren't you? But that comes with its downsides, is you make a lot of friends that are interested in your car, but not you. So you've got all these buddies, all these contacts in you got all the connections in the world. You're like Epstein. You're like Epstein on a private island, you know? All these fellas want to know you. That's right. Curse of the car scene, right? Get yourself a fancy car, everyone wants to know you. Everyone wants to be your friend. This is just like Jeffrey Epstein. You know, everyone wants to be around you, all the above. And then shit hits the fan, you know, someone has something go wrong, or No, not even that. You sell your car, you move on with life. You try a different flavour of vehicle. Suddenly no one wants to know you, and they never did know you. Alright? So you will be treated like Jeffrey Epstein, the child sex trafficker. In short, continue at your own risk. The youth of the car scenes today. So when you're at a car meet and someone's asking you why you're not respecting their economy car and all the cool mods they did, such as night shading your tail lights so someone cannot see you braking in traffic and they rear end you. And you go, oh, gone too soon, fly high, Mitsubishi Mirage. Sorry if I do not feel any sympathy for someone who makes their brake lights, who makes their tail lights not work as well as they should from factory. It's the equivalent of just having a blind bulb. Like, sure, you can counteract it by having a dark tail light, by having a bright as fuck tail light that sort of illuminates through the darkness. But just don't do it. You'll find in a lot of these cars that, okay, a car that has potential, as in from factory, it was intended to be fucking cool, can be cool on its own. You'll find it in complete stock form with a grandma who doesn't realise what year it is, as in what present year it is right now. She still believes it's 1992. That car will be fucking cool. Someone will go, wow, that is cool. Again, Mitsubishi Mirage with wheels that cost more than the car and assorted parts, never cool. You could spend triple the car's worth. Still not cool. But I don't have to act like it is, because it's not.